tayo ng kape. Coffee. Ito, walkthrough.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Isang sausage egg McMuffin. Large coffee. Wala pong hash brown.
May additional pa po.
Yun lang. Magkano lahat?
Send daw for the payment.
121. Drive-thru naging walk-through. Mami, tinan mo. Yung drive-thru naging walk-through. Bayad na kami. 121. Sakto, 121 sa akin. Yung sausage egg McMuffin 121 sa akin. Already. Piso.
Your change can change right. Done.
Yan. Pa rin natin ng ano.
Thank you.
Salamat. Yan na, walking through. Pick up here. Hirap kasi nito, wala pa silang dine-in dahil MECQ. Wala pa rin, no? Kaya nagka-ano tayo, nagka-drive-thru tayo. Ay, walk-thru pala. Yan po kami. Walang tao sa loob. Wala pa? Yung ano, sausage egg McMuffin isa, sa large coffee. Isa akin. Ayun, large coffee. Preparing. Ayan, order ko. Ang malupit na kape, pang pagising.